Hey everyone, this is Sam from Nassau Computer Repairs, and I'm going to measure the water content in the snowflake. Will a moisture meter carry any weight in this battle? Or will the scale stay tried and true? Using a scale, like this jewelry scale here, to measure the water content in the snowflake is absolutely going to be the easiest, most affordable, and most reliable way to do this. The basic idea of today's experiment is going to be to take the water content calculation using the scale and comparing that to the moisture meter readings. With some of the readings from the moisture meter, I'm going to try to take it from multiple angles and orientations and then average that out. And in the end, hopefully we get values that are close to one another. And that'll kind of help prove the accuracy of the moisture meter. Now I know this isn't the most concrete experiment that we can do, and I say that because the moisture meter is calibrated to materials that are commonly found in buildings and construction projects. But we'll see what we can do. Perform our water content calculation or our moisture content calculation, we're going to have to weigh the material before drying and then again after. But in order to know how long and at what temperature to dry the filament at, we're going to have to come over to the manufacturer store page. And if you're following along and doing this experiment with PLA, PETG, TPU, whatever material, just go on over to that manufacturer's store page and there should be instructions on drying. But in this case, I'm working with Timeplast, namely the desiccant filament. So this should give us the time and temperature that we need to dry at. Now, if you notice here, this listing doesn't have instructions on it, but I'm also working with this passive cooling material, and this one does happen to have instructions on it. So if you see how to print, scroll down to 17. 17A should give us our target dry temperature and time. And that's what we're going to do for this experiment. Now, if you use AI, I know not everybody does, but if you do, they also have this GPT assistant, which appears to just be a ChatGPT application that was made to help with this material. So they have that available as well if you need